Namaskar, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars and students, sportsmen, officials all around the world, listeners. I welcome Dr. Rakesh from USA. I heartily, cordially welcome all the dignitaries, those who are spending and providing their valuable time while listening the religious and spiritual words, how to make our elderly age excellent. Old age is inevitable, but this eminent process of aging can be delayed. People should try to make their old age confident, impressive, comfortable, and fruitful. A person after attaining the age beyond 55 years may or may not develop physical characters of old age, but gets an internal feeling of this age. When the youngsters in the family start calling the person as grandfather or grandmother, naturally an idea of attaining the old age gets confirmed. A person in government job achieves retirement at the age of 58 or 60 years. Likewise, businessmen, farmers, or professionals also develop the characteristic of elderly person at about that age. After all, the society starts considering people beyond that age as senior citizens. Health deterioration. Major problems of old age. First is health deterioration, then loneliness, degradation in family and social status, death of kith and kins, financial weakness, family disputes, psychological problems, accumulated sins and wicked actions. When we talk about the health, aging involves progressive deterioration of structures and functions of cells, tissues, organ systems of organisms with the advancing age. Almost every organ system of the body gets adversely affected with progression of age from childhood, adolescence, maturity, and old age. Skin and its derivatives. Skin develops wrinkles, loss of hair, graying of hair, reduction in sweat glands and touch sense. Muscles. The working capacity of voluntary muscles like arms, legs, feet, chest, etc. gets reduced. Involuntary muscles like gut, various ducts, urinary bladder gives slow response. Fat deposition and body feels pains and tiredness. Skeleton means bones become stiff, more brittle. Recovery of fractures becomes slow. Cartilage become hard. Digestive organs means reduction in food intake. Production of digestive juices. Irregular diarrhea. Constipation. Increase in ulcers and gas formation. Loss of appetite. Respiration means reduction in breathing rate, lung capacity, cell respiration. Circulatory systems means heartbeat reduces to 65% in 70 years of age as compared to 30 years age. Increase in narrowing and blockage of arteries supplying blood to vital organs. Reduction in blood capillaries and production of red blood cells. Excretory system means the number of urinary tubules in kidneys is reduced to almost about 80%. Urine formation becomes slow. Decrease in capacity of urinary bladder. Accumulation of uric acid. Nervous system and sense organ means reduction in memory and sleep. Taste buds reduced to 30%. Decrease in eyesight, hearing capacity, touch feelings, other responses. Endocrine system, it means regulating system becomes slow. Thymus gland, which control growth and development, is almost lost. Chances of diseases like goiter, myxedema, diabetes, hypertension, exophthalmia, etc. increase. Female undergo menopause after 45 years of age. Reproduction system means oligopermia in males. oligospermia in males and infertility in females, reduction in sensual capacity. Sensual system means decrease in capacity of fight disease due to low production of antibodies, increase infection and chances of cancer. People and balanced diet. There are some steps in the form of suggestions to maintain good health. Proper and balanced diet. Food should be healthy and nutritious. Vegetables and fruits rich in minerals, vitamins, fibers, etc. should be taken regularly. Avoid commercial fast foods and spicy foods. In case of disease, take specified medicine and diet as prescribed by the doctor. Do not resort to self-medication or the medicine suggested by friends, relatives, etc. because they do not understand